Ni Senador Franklin Drilon, si Senador Manny Pacquiao habang tinatalakay ang kanyang panukalang pagbuo ng Philippine Boxing Commission. Kinwestiyon ni Drilon si Pacquiao kung bakit kailangan pang bumuo ng bagong ahensya na mangangalaga sa mga Pilipinong boksingero. Gayong may Games and Amusements Board naman na pareho lamang ang tungkulin.
Why are we putting the commission on the same level as the government insofar as reporting to the office of the president is concerned?
Because, Mr. President, I believe is the best format and term of organization. The president will appoint the members of this commission.
Mr. President, I hope I can convince the gentleman from General Santos that the mere fact that a government official is appointed by the President is not a justification for the direct supervision of the President over a commission or an agency. I think that's very basic.
Ka naman si Pacquiao na ipaglalaban niya ang panukala, muling magkakaroon ng interpellation sa Mayo sa pagbabalik sesyon ng Kongreso.